Hey natural and tech enthusiasts, welcome back to FASTCABLING. Today in this video, we're exploring a fascinating intersection of technology and conservation. How to monitor sensor data remotely in a wildlife reserve. Now let's imagine this reserve is a crucial habitat for countless species, and effective environmental monitoring is the key to protecting it. So let's dive in and see how we can leverage modern technology to keep a close eye on this precious ecosystem. And also, if you need some personalized advice for your tech project, we're thrilled to offer free tech consultation to all of our amazing viewers. No matter the challenge, we've got you covered. Simply send us your questions through the link down in the description box below to get your free consultation. So let's tackle your tech challenges together and make your project a success. So environmental monitoring plays a vital role in wildlife conservation. By keeping track of various environmental perimeters, we can make informed decisions to protect and manage this ecosystem. For example, you can strategically place a range of sensors to monitor throughout the reserve, like putting temperature, humidity, air quality, and water level sensors near water sources to monitor levels and quality, and in dense forest areas to track humidity and air quality, and in open areas to record temperature changes. However, one of the biggest challenges we face is the need for remote monitoring and long-distance data transmission. So how do we achieve this? And let me introduce you to our key components. The serial device server. Now this is a game changer in integrating serial devices with modern network. It allows us to connect various sensors and transmit their data over an Ethernet network. Here's how it works. The serial device server converts data from our serial sensors into Ethernet packets and making it possible to transmit this data over long distances using network infrastructure. But how do we cover the vast expanse of the reserve? So that's where our wireless network bridges comes in. So the wireless network bridges extend network coverage across large areas. They connect different parts of the reserve wirelessly and ensuring that sensor data from even the most remote location reaches our central monitoring system. So now let's walk through the installation process. Here are the key components that we'll need. A pair of wireless network bridges for connecting remote location, serial device server to convert the data, and also a hub for connecting multiple environmental sensors. Now first, we'll set up our network bridges to create a wireless network across the reserve. Next, we'll connect our environmental sensors to the hub, which consolidates the data and send it to the serial device server. So let's begin. So here we have an outdoor PoE switch. By using PoE technology, we can send both power and data through one single Ethernet cable and simplifying the setup. I'm going to plug in two Ethernet cables here. Now what are they for? One is going directly to our wireless network bridges to power it up and also getting the data. So as you can see, the indicator lights are on. And you should place it facing directly to the other wireless network bridge in a clear line of sight. Another Ethernet cable is going to go all the way to our PoE splitter. Now our PoE splitter will split the PoE technology into power and data. So I'm going to plug it in to the input port, and then it will split up to power and data. For the power wires, it's going to a junction box, and we are going to use this to power everything else. First, to our serial device server, then to our RS485 hub, and last but not least to another junction box that's connecting to both our temperature and humidity sensor and the wind sensor. So as you can see, all the wires are connected, and also to the hub as well. And then the hub will transmit the data to our serial device server. And the serial device server will convert all the serial data to Ethernet packets. So I'm going to use a short patch cord to connect it with our PoE splitter. So all the data will go through this Ethernet cable and to the wireless network bridge, and transmitting all the way to our control room. So right here we have the main bridge. It is already powered up, connected to a computer and also to the internet. You can see the indicator lights are on and getting a very strong signal. And last, we will configure the software to receive and display the data in real time. So now let's see what we'll need. This web page is for our serial device server. By plugging in the IP address, you can adjust all the settings on this web page. And then we'll have the vComm software. Since we don't really have a COM port on our computer to connect with the serial devices, that's why we have to create a virtual COM, and it's using Ethernet. So just hit Add Device, search. Here we get our device here. The IP address match our serial device server, and you can connect to multiple devices. And for each device, hit OK. You will get a different COM number. Now we get COM number 2, and then we'll need a displaying tool. And plug in COM 2, select this COM, and then open serial. And here we go. Now we can see the real-time environment data, the temperature, humidity, remotely. And the benefits of this setup are immense. Early detection of environmental changes, better resource allocation, and the ease of use with wireless network bridges. However, there are potential challenges, like power supply issues. So for remote areas, we do recommend using solar power system to ensure continuous operation. Solar power ensures that our monitoring system is sustainable and reliable, even in the most remote parts of the reserve. So there you have it. This is how we monitor sensor data remotely in a wildlife reserve. By integrating modern technology with conservation effort, now we can make a significant impact. Thank you very much for joining us at FASTCABLING. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorial. And also feel free to drop a comment below, or you can browse our website for more products. And I'll see you in the next video.